Modeling an arc window. Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi Ashrafian. Before beginning, subscribe our channel in YouTube and turn on the notifications. In this case, we want to modeling an arc window. Okay, we have a picture here and we have some parts. In this part we have an arc shape, height 50 centimeters, and its width equals 180 centimeters. And two part or second part, we have a rectangular shape here and three parts here that its height 150 centimeters and its width equal 180 centimeters. Okay, go to 3D Studio Max and front view, drawing an rectangle, and set its dimensions, length 180, sorry, 50, and width 180. Okay, I choose snap and set it to vertex and midpoint. Okay, drawing a circle or drawing an arc here and here and here. Okay, with using this rectangular shape we can draw an arc here. Okay, we don't need to the rectangular shape. I select it and delete. Select the arc shape, convert it to editable spline, and connect its vertex together. Like this. Okay. We can draw this arc shape in 3D Studio Max, and our thickness is 7 centimeters. For this one, I extrude this shape equal 7 centimeter and turn off the selection brackets. Press F4 for see the lines of this object and its segments, and I want to increase the steps here for more details in top of the object here. Okay, I convert it to editable poly. Select the polygon sub-object mode. Select this polygon and extrude it 150 centimeter for modeling the second part of window or rectangular shape of window. Here we have 150 centimeters. Okay, for these three parts I go to edge mode, select all edges here. I press F3 for see in the wireframe mode. Select these lines and connect to each other. We set the segments to 2 and okay. Okay, we have this shape. I go to perspective viewport, go to polygon mode, and I want to split this peak to two parts. For this reason, I set the snaps to vertex and midpoint, and go to edge mode, and insert vertex here, one, and here. By using the snap, we can put the new vertex in middle of these lines, here and here. Okay, I go to vertex mode, select this vertex here and this vertex, and connect them with the connect button. Okay, I go to polygon mode, select all the polygons in front of window and in the back of window, that we have 10 polygons here. Okay, in the picture we have 5 centimeter in this thickness. For this listen, I go to inset mode and set the inset for 5 centimeter, and set this option to by polygon mode, that we want to split the polygons here. Okay, we have some problems. You see we have a dark area here and here, that it's because of the crossing vertex to another areas. Because I want to solve it, I go to front viewport, and I want to move this vertex. Okay, turn off the snap, and I move this vertex here and here. Notice that we move the vertex in the way that we save this curvature shape. Okay, I go to here and fix it. Also here, and here. I first move this vertex and this and this. Okay, we have a nice result. If I go to perspective window, we can see we solve this problem. Okay, I select the polygons that automatically selected and extrude it about 1.5, negative 1.5, and we have 3 centimeter here for second part of window. For this design, I select the polygons and insert it about 3 centimeter. That we have the same problem here, and I want to solve them. Go to vertex mode and move this vertex for solve this problem, like it. Okay, I go to here and here. Okay, again here, and here. I move this and move these vertices here. This is too close, so I move them to solve this problem. Okay, we have a nice result, and I select the polygons in the polygon mode and extrude it again. In this case, negative 1.75, because we have 5 millimeter for the glasses thickness in here. Okay. Okay, in this case we want to open some parts of window. For this reason, I go to front window, go to polygon mode and select these parts of this window. Here, and you can see we select them in two sides. Go to edit geometry mode and detach and set this name to door 1. Okay, if I exit the polygon mode and move this window, you can see we have these two parts. Okay, I select this part and hide it. We have some problem here. We have the open polygons here, or the hole here. For this reason, I go to border mode, select these borders, and with the bridge button we can bridge them and create new polygons here, and we can close it. Okay, I go to front window and select this part of window with the fence selection mode, that we want to select all part of this window. Okay, sorry, I want to go to polygon mode and try again. Okay, hold the control key and select this area. We select this part here and here. Okay, go to geometry and detach and set its name to door 2. Okay, I select it and hide it. You see, we also have this problem here. Go to border mode, select these borders and bridge them. Okay, I want to apply some detail to this window. Go to edge mode and select this edge here, 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 and these parts. You must be careful in the select edges that we want, select them correctly. Okay, we have this line selected that it's not good. With Alt key I click it and deselect it. Okay, hold Control key and select these lines again, here and here, and in the top of the window, here, here, this one, and this here and here. Okay, check the lines for the selection correctly. So we have selected them correctly. Okay, set the chamfer about 0.5 centimeter or 5 millimeters. Set the segments to 3 and set the smooth to smooth chamfer only for best result. Okay, I turn off the edge mode, turn off the edged face mode, and we can see that some detail here and here. That is good for our window. We have some problem here that we solve it in next step. That it's because of the smoothing of these polygons. Okay, I unhide the parts of window, unhide all, select this part and apply these details to this window also. Okay, I go to border mode, select these borders and bridge them, go to edge mode, select these edges and these edges here and chamfer them equals 5 millimeters and set this setting. Again, for this part I go to border mode, bridge them, go to edge mode, select this and select this and chamfer them 5 millimeter and these options here. Okay, we finished the modeling of an arc window. In the last part we want to open these windows. Okay, I select it and rotate it, that it rotates from the middle of it, that it's wrong. For this problem, go to top viewport, go to hierarchy, select affect pivot only and set the pivot to here, to this point. Okay, I turn off the affect pivot only. If I select and rotate the window, we can see it's rotate correctly. Do this option for this part again, go to top viewport, select affect pivot only, active the snap and set it. In the front viewport, again set it in this point of window. Okay, I turn off the affect pivot only, exit isolate mode, and if I rotate this part of window, we can see that it's rotated correctly. You also can set this point of rotation to every point if you want. Okay, I solved the last problem of smoothing. That's it's here, the dark areas. I select the window, go to modify panel and select the smooth modifier. Set auto smooth, set prevent indirect smoothing and threshold to 10. Okay, we have some problems here. I turn off the prevent indirect. Okay, we have a good result here. Auto smoothing and threshold 10 in 10 angle. If you like it, subscribe our channel in YouTube and follow our page in Instagram. Thanks a lot. See you in the next lesson.